Eating healthy without sacrificing taste is absolutely possible and can be an enjoyable journey. Here are some tips and strategies to help you achieve a balance between nutrition and flavor. Incorporate herbs and spices. Use herbs like basil, cilantro, and rosemary, and spices such as cumin, paprika, and cinnamon to add flavor without extra calories. Experiment with spice blends for global flavors like Italian, Indian, or Mediterranean. Focus on fresh ingredients. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and proteins naturally taste better and require minimal seasoning. Shop locally for seasonal produce to ensure maximum flavor. Make healthy substitutions. Replace heavy creams with Greek yogurt in recipes. Use mashed avocado instead of mayonnaise for a creamy texture. Swap sugar with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Enhance textures. Combine crunchy elements like nuts and seeds with creamy components like yogurt and hummus for a satisfying bite. Roast vegetables to caramelize their natural sugars and create a crispy texture. Explore cooking techniques. Grilling, roasting, steaming, and sautéing enhance natural flavors without the need for excessive oil or salt. Use an air fryer for crispy dishes with less fat. Experiment with healthy fats. Healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts can make dishes more satisfying. Drizzle a small amount of olive oil over roasted veggies or salads for added flavor. Prepare sauces and dressings at home. Homemade dressings and sauces can be made with simple ingredients like olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and mustard, avoiding preservatives and excessive sugar. Balance your plate. Aim for a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, and colorful vegetables to create a meal that's both nutritious and flavorful. Add a sprinkle of cheese or a drizzle of sauce for extra taste without going overboard. Incorporate umami flavors. Umami-rich ingredients like mushrooms, tomatoes, soy sauce, and Parmesan cheese can make dishes more savory and satisfying. Plan ahead. Meal prepping allows you to experiment with recipes and ensures you have tasty, healthy options readily available.